What's up, y'all? Micakes here, and on this channel we are here to love ourselves and our bodies and strive as women in society. And on today's video, I'll just be showing you around my room and all the things lying around. Everything is organized, so it's a lot easier to show you. Yeah, let's get into the video. What's up, y'all? This is my hibernation area because I do enjoy my sleep. This pillow I've had for about 10 plus years, so yeah, it's pretty gross now. On this hanger I hung a bunch of necklaces. These are just the necklaces that I've accumulated over the years and have kept. This box thing, I just use as a side table. So yeah, it's all I need while I sleep. And that is my lovely bed area. This is my desk area where I used to study, do homework. Now I just use it for editing and for doing my makeup. This little hamburger is something my sister made me. And this bowl I got from my grandma's house. Yeah, just keep some knickknacks. These are the journals and books I have on rotation. My planner, this aromatherapy book that I finished reading, which is super dope. I'm really into aromatherapy right now. It's really cool. And this book I'm currently reading is about women and how they behave as consumers in the economy. So next we have my shelf area. The dude that built this house is really smart and he put shelves in the wall. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to go buy shelves. So on the top here we have a bag of just things I don't really touch. And on the right are all my sock monkeys. Down here we have a little Zen area. It has like Buddha stuff, incense, a picture of my grandma and grandpa and my best friend. Down here we have all of the books I've read over the past 4 years. IQ 84 is a really good book. Asa Akira's Insatiable is one of my favorites. And down here is my wooden mushroom. I keep my electronics here and I slapped some stickers on them. On this is an Atlas sticker I put on my charger. Yeah, it just fits my charger and makes it look way cooler instead of it just being blank. And on my hard drive I put a Benny Gold sticker. It is my last Benny Gold sticker, which I'm pretty bummed. In this box, there's nothing really important, but I do have my yearbooks from middle school and elementary. Yes, they are my favorites. This is me on the right. I think I was in 5th grade. I think it's a 5th grade yearbook. Thumbnail. this is the last shelf area in my room. On top here are some ceramics and a couple beer openers. In the middle are my bucket hats. If you haven't seen my bucket hat video, it's the first one on my page. And on the right are shoe boxes. On top are nail polishes, and on the bottom there's just some random stuff. This is where I have my makeup, my toiletries, and also my jewelry and my burner. This is a beer opener I plan on putting in my kitchen one day. Another beer opener I got from my best friend. And a little hand. Welcome to my closet. During quarantine, I organize all my hangers by the kinds of hangers. So yeah, my closet is really organized now. But it looks really good, so. And lastly, we have the door area. Here is my school ID from my last year of college. And these are the bags that I usually go to, but currently I just use the same bag since, you know, there's not much going on. Down here I have my corkboard. Yes, my name is Michaela, not Micakes. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't click the pineapple in the corner, go replay the video to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.